Hey everyone, my name is Lokesh Kaushik. In this video, I'm gonna tell you what is social media marketing and what are its benefits and why you need to use it for your business. So let's get started. Social media marketing provides a great way to increase your sales by promoting your products and services on social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn in a cost-effective way. Social media marketing helps you stay connected with your customers and be more accessible to your new customers. You can also use social media to answer queries of both your current and prospective customers. So now let's talk about the benefits of social media marketing. So a lot of time you might have noticed that people searching for your business name, its products and services, suddenly they found your profile on social media, which ultimately increase your brand awareness because a lot of people will know about you. So what you provide, what services you provide, and what are your products. So this way, which will help your business grow. So whenever you post a new content, you can reach your current followers organically. Along with, you can use paid ads to reach your prospective customers. So what are your prospective customers? Your prospective customers are similar to your current customers, so you can target the lookalike audience of your current customers. You can also use Facebook Insights to find out the demographics of your current audience. So this way, social media helps you increase your brand awareness. Second, increase website traffic. Social media acts as a great source of traffic because more people will discover you and will choose to visit your website because they may be interested in purchasing from you. So thus, social media acts as a great source of traffic and helps you increase your sales. Third, better search engine rankings. So social media sends signals to search engines which ultimately improve your search engine rankings. Apart from this, when someone searches for your brand name, your social media profiles will also come up in search engine results page. So thus it helps you increase your search engine rankings. So if your content is performing better, so it's getting more engagement and shares, this will put a positive impact on your SEO. Fourth one, competition analysis. With help of social media, you can keep an eye on your competition to see what they are doing, what content strategy they are applying. So you can also use sponsored ads to target their followers on social media. Fifth one, increase sales. Social media helps you increase more leads, which in return leads to more sales and revenue if leveraged properly. So you need to leverage social media properly by implementing a great content strategy. So you need to create a content targeted for each stage of buyer's journey. So if you do it correctly, you are sure to get more leads and sales by putting your content in front of your prospective customers who are ready to buy from you. Sixth one, promote your content. With the help of social media, you can always promote your content, your new blog post or article that you want people to read because you have spent a lot of time writing it. So whenever you write a new article, go ahead on your social media channels, put a link on it, which will help you get more readers, because if someone likes it, they will share it with their followers, which will get you more new readers to your blog and article. So if you want to reach more people, you can always use sponsored ads. Seventh, remarketing. You can always remarket to people who have previously shown interest in your product. They actually added your product in their cart but never purchased from you. So you can use Facebook Pixel to target those people and remarket to them. Eighth, reports and analytics. So whenever you post on social media, you get to know how many people have seen your post and what are the insights of your followers. Similarly, when you post or when you do sponsored ad, you'll get to know how your advertisement performed. So these are some of the best benefits of social media marketing. I hope you found this useful, and please comment if any other video you want me to do for you. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you for watching.